today we have a very special guest with us. He is Vice Chairman, Niti Aayog, Mr. Arvind Pangadia. Sir, welcome sir.
My pleasure to be with you.
Sir, we'll start our question with the name itself, sir.
Okay.
Why Niti?
All right. So, you see, this institution has two names really effectively.
Okay.
So, it is called the National Institution for Transforming India. Now, so when you write capital N, capital I, capital T, capital I, you are referring to the National Institution for Transformation of India. Okay. But then it's also called, cleverly, Niti Aayog. Niti in Hindi means policy. So it's Policy Aayog.
Okay.
Now, why that play on the words? Well, first, of course, we are an institution that we want to play a role in transforming India, but also there used to be the Planning Commission, right? And so now kind of there is a sort of message that from planning we are moving to Niti.
Okay.
Making policy.
So policies for transforming India that you want to say.
So it's sort of policies are now going to become more central,
okay.
As opposed to planning.
Okay. So how do you see your role in the changing scenarios in Indian development?
Yeah. So now, you know, it's still, remember this is a very young institution. 1st January 2015 is when it was announced.
Okay.
I came on the 13th, our members joined 2 or 3 weeks later. So, you know, it's still on 15th February. So it's evolving, we're discussing, but it is going to change quite a bit, you know. So the institution used to have a big role, the predecessor institution, the Planning Commission used to have a big role in giving funds to the states. Big time money was allocated through this institution. That role will considerably diminish now, but our role as a think tank is going to really come to the forefront now. So we would work like the think tank of the states as well as the central government, and if there are issues that the central government ministries have that they would like us to look at, or state governments have issues that they would like us to answer, we'll try to address that. We would also try to become the depository of knowledge for the states and for the central government. So particularly for things like, you know, best practices, also the worst practices,
okay.
Because we don't want, you know, any practices that are done poorly in one state, we don't want other states trying it out again, right? So we also want to be a depository of worst practices as well as the best practices, so that others can learn from and adopt the same kind of policies that have succeeded elsewhere in other states.
Okay.
So that then we'll have, you know, very close association, we hope, with the states, so that if the states have some issues on which they need advice and they don't have the in-house expertise there, we could be their first stop.
Okay.
Will not be perhaps the last stop, because we might then take them to other experts, connect them to the other experts who may be better able to answer the specific questions that they have. So we'll play a much more kind of knowledge-based role now.
So does that mean that you will be having more experts from the field, more say specialists from the field,
yeah,
and recruiting them with the Niti Aayog?
Yeah. So our cabinet resolution really gives us a lot of flexibility, so that we can have in-house expertise. Where we don't have in-house expertise, our mandate is to also collaborate with think tanks, universities, independent scholars, NGOs, whoever. Okay. So we would actually, you know, go in and hunt for talent based on the needs of the states and the central government everywhere, including even if you have to go abroad, we'll do that too.
So it would be like crowdsourcing of the knowledge, huh?
Yeah, sort of, you know.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, or maybe we'll crowdsource the questions.
Okay.
So that the answers can come from the from
the states would be the one who will be questioning, who will be asking questions, and then you will be coming out with the solutions.
So,
this is the kind of Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, one thing is very dear to our Honorable Prime Minister, that is the cooperative federalism and working center and state as a team.
Correct.
So how do you see the role of Niti Aayog, a crucial role of Niti Aayog to be played in this playing center and state as a one team, sir?
Yeah, no. So you saw our first meeting that happened of the governing council. So we had a little board or sort of thing which said Team India.
Okay.
So
Yes,
that's exactly as we are saying, you know,
Okay.
that he likes to watch his teams. It calls it Team India because center and states, that's Team India. But in terms of how, you know, we'll work with them, I described to you, and our approach will become a little different. You know, in the past, because the Planning Commission was giving a lot of money, the chief ministers kind of would come here at the Planning Commission. I want to work slightly differently. You know, hopefully I'll like them to come here as well because I have them as our guests. But I will also try to do my outreach. I'll go there also to meet with chief ministers and others where, you know, where need arises. So in the sense that, you know, nobody feels that one is above the other. You know, we are all equal in this game, and at the end of the day, it's a shared goal. So at least even in terms of, you know, how we want to relate, I hope we'll relate a little differently than in the past.
Great, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot for talking to us, sir, and congratulations for your new role.
Thank you.
Sir.
My pleasure.